Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the earbuds off and removing the silicone tips so you can access the mesh and sound port. Use a soft brush to sweep loose debris. This prevents pushing gunk deeper. Then, lightly dampen a microfiber or cotton swab with 70% isopropyl. Only damp, not dripping, and clean around the mesh edges. You do this because alcohol dissolves oils and evaporates fast. Once done, air dry tips and components while you prepare for deeper cleaning. You now tackle the mesh and tips more thoroughly. Hold the earbud so gravity helps remove debris, then use small circular strokes with a soft bristled brush. This loosens trapped earwax without damaging the driver. While tips soak in warm soapy water for 5 to 10 minutes, use a dry toothpick or interdental brush to extract stubborn residue from crevices. Rinse tips, pat with microfiber, and let both tips and earbuds air dry completely. Make sure no moisture remains before reassembly. You finish by reattaching fully dry silicone tips and placing earbuds back in the case to charge briefly, then test audio at a low volume to confirm clarity. If sound is muffled, repeat the mesh cleaning steps and inspect the sound port for remaining debris. Sometimes a gentle compressed air puff loosens hidden particles. If problems persist despite careful cleaning, and you avoided liquids on drivers, contact Sony support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.